Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a project and importing footage. This gets everything into one workspace. Trim clips in the media browser to reduce clutter, then drag your selected clips into the timeline to establish story order. Once done, make sure to set a primary clip for audio reference and use pinch gestures to zoom the timeline for precise edits. You're laying the structural foundation so later moves, transitions, color, speed apply cleanly and predictably across the whole sequence. Now refine timing and flow. Tap a clip to split or trim for tight cuts and adjust speed to create emphasis or fill gaps. Add transitions between clips for smooth motion and layer titles or picture-in-picture to convey information without interrupting visuals. Once done, open color controls to balance exposure and apply a filter for consistent mood. Then duck background audio when voiceover appears so dialogue stays clear. These steps make the edit feel intentional and cinematic. You finish by watching the entire film at normal speed to catch jump cuts, audio pops, or mismatched color. Make small trims and adjust audio levels, then export via share, choosing resolution and frame rate that match your delivery platform. If something breaks, stuttered playback, or missing edits, rebuild by closing and reopening iMovie, or re-import the troublesome clip to force a fresh render. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves sync and render issues, so you're fine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.